Welcome to my channel. Do you feel shy to speak English because no one is there to practice with you? Do you stay silent even when you want to talk? I understand that feeling. But here's the truth, you are never alone. You can practice with yourself, and it can completely change your English. Stay with me, and I'll show you how. Chapter 1. Why talking to yourself works. The biggest problem for English learners isn't grammar or vocabulary, it's fear. Fear of mistakes. Fear of people laughing. Fear of not sounding good enough. Because of fear, many learners stay silent. But silence never teaches you English. If you want to speak, you must speak. And the safest place to start is with yourself. When you talk to yourself in English, there's no judgment. No pressure. Just real practice. Every word you say builds confidence. Every sentence is a step toward fluency. Think about how you learned your first language. You spoke, you made mistakes, and you tried again. That's the same secret here. Don't wait for a teacher or a partner. Create your own practice moment, anytime, anywhere. Even 1 minute a day matters. Self-talk is not crazy. Staying silent for years and never improving, that's crazy. Talking to yourself is smart. It's proof that you are serious about your English. Chapter 2. Your voice is your classroom. Your voice is your most powerful tool. Books and apps help, but your real classroom is inside you, your voice. Every time you speak, your brain, mouth, and ears train together. Reading fills your eyes. Listening fills your ears. Speaking fills your whole body with English. Don't wait for perfection. Perfection comes after practice, not before it. Your voice doesn't need to sound perfect. It just needs to sound alive. Say it with me. I can do this. That's your classroom. That's your power. Use your voice every day, even for 1 minute in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, 1 at night. 3 minutes a day is enough to start real change. One day, you'll look back and realize, your voice changed everything. Chapter 3. Start with I am sentences. The first words you say in the morning shape your whole day. That's why you should start with simple, I am sentences. They are easy, powerful, and full of confidence. Say, I am learning English. I am strong. I am ready for today. These words aren't just practice, they are energy. They train your mind to believe in you. Every child learns this way, short, emotional sentences that grow into bigger ones. You can do the same. Throughout your day, Describe your actions with I am. I am cooking. I am walking. I am watching a video. This turns your normal day into English practice. Simple, real, powerful. Chapter 4. Describe what you're doing. You don't need a classroom to practice. Your life is your classroom. Talk about what you're doing right now. I am making tea. I am checking my phone. I am cleaning my room. It may feel strange at first, but every sentence builds a bridge between your thoughts and your words. Soon your brain starts to think in English automatically. Don't worry about mistakes. If you say, I am cook food, that's okay. Mistakes mean progress. Speak first, correct later. Remember, speaking is always stronger than silence. Chapter 5. The Mirror Method. Your mirror is your best speaking partner. When you speak to your reflection, you see your mouth, your eyes, your expression. It feels real, like a real conversation. Stand tall, look into your eyes and say, "Good morning. I am ready for today." Smile. Repeat. Feel the confidence. The mirror helps you practice body language and eye contact, both important in real conversations. It's your private stage. Mistakes here are safe. Confidence starts when you meet yourself in the mirror. Chapter 6. Talk about your feelings. English isn't just words, it's emotion. Learn to say how you feel. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel nervous, but I am learning. Feelings make your English real, because they come from your heart. Don't hide your emotions. Use them. Every feeling can become a sentence, and every sentence is progress. A simple, I feel happy, said with a real smile is stronger than a long, perfect sentence without emotion. Chapter 7. Ask yourself questions. Questions are magic. They make your brain think in English. Ask and answer yourself. How am I today? I feel great. What will I do today? I will study English. What do I see? I see people. I see the sky. This simple habit creates real conversation with yourself. It prepares you for the real world because your brain gets used to answering questions automatically. Chapter 8. Tell small stories. Stories connect your sentences and train your memory. Start small. Yesterday, I went to the shop. I bought apples. I came home. That's a story, simple but real. You can tell stories about anything, your day, your plans, your dreams. Each story makes your English flow more naturally. Fluency is not knowing thousands of words. It's connecting the ones you already know. Chapter 9. Record your voice. Use your phone as your private teacher. Record yourself for 1 minute every day. Talk about your plans, your day, or your feelings. Then listen. At first, you might feel shy hearing your voice, but that's your growth. You'll hear what's clear and what needs work. Each recording is feedback, proof, and motivation. Months later, when you listen again, you'll be proud of your progress. Every recording is a step toward confidence. Chapter 10. Talk about your future. Your future gives your words power. Say, I will practice English every day. I will speak confidently. I will travel. When you speak about your future, you plant seeds of success. Your words today build your tomorrow. Talk about your goals often. It keeps your motivation alive. Chapter 11. Make it a daily habit. Success comes from habit, not luck. Even 5 minutes of speaking daily is enough to change your English. 1 sentence a day becomes 365 sentences a year. That's progress. Don't wait for motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but habits stay. Let English become as natural as brushing your teeth, something you do without thinking. 1 minute today can transform your tomorrow. Chapter 12. From self-talk to real talk. When you finally speak to others, your brain will remember everything you practiced alone. You'll realize that your private training has become public confidence. Fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about being brave enough to speak, even with mistakes. You've built that bravery already. So keep talking, to yourself, to friends, to the world. Because every word you speak brings you closer to the confident English speaker you dream to be. Remember this. You were never crazy for talking to yourself. You were smart. You were training for your future. So keep speaking. Keep growing. Your voice is your power, and it's time to let it shine.